Well, it kind of is. All right, gonna start out with our store package. I think I actually got a hat from this last time, which was way above average. It's gonna be Force of Nature.
Oh
Nope.
boy. Oh.
All right, that was the unboxing.
Wait. You.
All right, I think again I want to start with the war paints and finish with the hats.
I knew you were a furry.
Yeah. All right, these are the only winter war paint cases I had that is not the one that I'm trying to sell. I don't really like the red in this as far as I see. Well, from what I've seen. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, strange. Immediately. Nice.
That's cool. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty festive.
Slaying style.
That's what I'm always doing.
Oh yeah, I like this one. Strange purple might be the best thing I pulled today.
Nah. It's unusual time.
All right, we run it back. Oof.
That's pretty horrible, but that's like the worst thing you'll get today.
Oh, this is midwear as well. Yeah. Well worn. Airstrike makes everything look good. That does not. That just looks like your average gardening tool.
Got that at Home Depot. Like that's what you got your father for Christmas.
Yeah, I don't mind it on stuff like this. All right. Oh. I think it's factory new.
That's really clean. I honestly like that. Oh. Oh my god.
Yes.
Holy
Yes.
shit.
Yes. Yes.
What the fuck?
Yes. Oh my god.
Well, we knew it was coming. Oh my god.
Yes.
Do you get to choose what unusual effect you get?
No, I think it's random from all those.
Oh my
But it's a winter
god.
one as well.
And you got that was just from a random box, right? Like it was a bonus.
I had a feeling because when you get the taunt unusualifiers, multiple items show up.
That's crazy.
Yes. Yes.
Unusual.
What's the snapshot in this?
How do you
F2?
see? Is it backpack.tf? How do you see how much that's worth?
These probably don't have prices yet because they're pretty new.
Oh, I see.
But I know my scout one went kind of down, but I don't really fucking care. I'm not selling this shit.
Yeah, you got it. That's what matters.
I just have to buy the taunt.
Even if it's worth $1 million?
I don't own the taunt. If it's worth $1 million, I'm selling it.
What's the cutoff? It's like $1,000.
I just can look at this forever. I just have dreams about this shit. I have dreams that I have a lot of unusuals in my bag.
And your dreams are becoming real. I think we need some subs off of that. Can I get some Twitch primes in my stream? Sub to me for that. Sub to me for that unusual, guys.
I really did not want to click next. Oh, nice. Okay. What? That's field tested? That looks sick.
That is really cool. Is that the igloo?
Ooh. Yeah.
The igloo is really clean. It's nice. I bet it goes for like a lot for a blue. I bet it's pretty valuable because this actually looks really good. that fact new?
No, that's field tested.
Oh my god. Insane.
Okay. I do not give a single shit what else I get.
We hit it. We hit the fucking the criteria.
So happy. Okay.
This is cute.
Yeah.
I like this.
I like the blues better than the other stuff in this crate. Yeah. That's adorable.
I'd be kicking my feet while running around with that. Oh, wow.
Forget, was that the one? I think I unboxed one of these before. No. Okay, that looks sick. Ooh, man. Gift wrapped.
These all look really nice. These are way better than the Halloween ones. The Halloween ones are fucking ugly.
They were pretty bad this year. Am I missing something?
Oh no. Our buddy woke up. Oh, he's going back to bed. Can't get him too excited. He'll start destroying everything if he gets too excited.
Crap, I forgot to even use all my Halloween ones. I have so much shit in here, fuck. Okay. Oh no, okay, I have enough.
Getting a lot of purples.
Yeah.
I feel like the rolls are good right now. We're on a hot streak. We got to keep going.
That looks nice.
You got to buy 100 more crates.
Lost track of where I put my shit. Ooh. Still purple though. Battle scarred. I feel like TF2 does not do a good job at making the things shitty. Like CSGO, it's a nightmare when it's
yeah, when it's battle scarred. You're right about that.
This would just have like a speck of red on it.
Is this battle scarred?
Yeah.
What? Yeah. You get like an inch of like skin when you get battle scarred. It really does look like it's been through war. Or at least like a wood chipper.
Yeah, I gotta use my Halloween things when I get a chance, but that's not important right now. Okay, we gotta go in chronological order. I got a 2017 one. Which one are we feeling?
The first one.
Okay. Oh. Strange count transfer.
Is that even?
It's just a hat.
No. Fedora. No, it's not a fedora. That's the hat that one guy wears.
It's a heavy hat.
The guy from TikTok who has like the freaky eyes. You know what I'm talking about?
I don't think so.
But he wears like it's like a Yankee hat with
talking about the guy in the middle of the forest?
Yeah.
The Apex guy?
I think so. Is that his name?
I don't know. All right. 2019. I want that candy crown. This one. Oh. Pretty decent.
That's kind of cool. I like it.
Yeah, my sniper is looking a little rough for the winter.
He needed to bundle up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is so cute. I like it.
It clips into the snow scoper, unfortunately, but
yeah.
Who cares?
Who can tell? Yeah. Are you gonna open your stocking?
I don't think so. All right, 2020. I only have one of these. Right. Oh. Oh. Pom pom.
That's probably a pyro hat.
Gift wrap.
So lazy.
Sniper? Oh, it's all class.
Ooh.
Right? Yeah. That adds up to 9.
If they gave it to every class except one.
I feel like there's got to be one hat that does that.
He's not looking very jolly at all.
All right, 2021. Oh dear. Oh, strange. Gnome dome.
Me when
That's also all class.
Me when I go to the mystical forest.
Can I put the gnome dome on? What? It clashes with this? Oh, that's a nightmare. Can't even use my pom pom.
So what's even the point of being alive?
Who's getting the gnome dome?
Me.
Now, children, settle down. 2022. We want that festive rack. Gonna be staring at the festive rack while I get the gnome dome.
My eyes are gonna start popping out of my head.
Wow.
That's so lame.
Coolest engineer hat.
Who came up with this shit?
Can I put the lights on it?
Yeah. You have to.
You can't.
Of course you can. This is my last straw.
One step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. All right, last 2. I don't care. God, I only found 4 of these. It's insane. All right, I just hope I don't dupe up on 2 crates. Oh, nice. Sick, actually.
The Festivizer. Oh. Oh, wow. Wait a second. We really are high rolling. What the fuck? I hope so.
Okay.
That made cool content.
What an unboxing this has been.
I'm feeling the fever.
We end it with the worst thing I've ever seen.